Hello everyone. Today we're going to be doing a property tour of our accommodation in Antibes. We are getting it for $49 a night and we're here for 2 weeks. Let's go on a little walking tour. All right, let's begin this tour with the living room. Kitchen. Loft, and the bathroom. But let's start in the kitchen. So $49 a night is what we're paying. We have most of the facilities, a sink, cooktop, oven, microwave, coffee maker. There's no tea kettle here. There's plenty of the regular stuff we need to cook. A full refrigerator. Dining area. Television with DSL internet. Unfortunately, the loft up here was not built for 2 people weight-wise, for us anyways. So we decided, since it was very flexible and not very safe, we'd sleep down here on the height of bed, so we just grabbed the mattress and pulled it down. Got a heater in the corner and a beautiful view outside. We are definitely in Old Town Antibes. There's plenty of walking traffic out there. And there's Lisa. Got a good office space right here. A cabinet for our clothes. Dresser. And now into the bathroom. There's a washing machine. And a walk-in shower, which is rather large. Overall, we feel that this accommodation actually meets our needs. It's in a beautiful part of town, and for only $49 a night, it's well worth our investment.
Definitely.